Walmart truck driver making $7,100 monthly after taxes, with $1,261 in rent payments. What's the ideal budget for me? You can try the 50-20-30 budget rule. This means you should allocate 50% for your essential needs, so $3,550. Your rent should not exceed 30% of your income, so $2,130 max. Use 20% for your wants, that's $1,420. Save 30% every month, that's $2,130. If you invested every month with a 10% annual return, it will be $436,000 in 10 years. It'll be $1,617,000 in 20 years. It will exceed $4,814,000 in 30 years. Not saving enough? Use my budget planners.